Hello, Lady P lovers. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever you are watching me from, guys, it's your humble girl again, Lady P, Naija TV. So, guys, in today's video, I will be showing you how I prepare my potato porridge. Okay, guys, with this Steck cachet. Also, I have some scotch bonnet pepper, I have tomatoes, I have some carrots, I have red bell pepper, I have yellow bell pepper. Also, I have onions, I have two seasonings, I have my red palm oil. Okay, guys, so this is my steak cachet that I will be using in this recipe. Okay, guys, so stay tuned and watch me. Meanwhile, guys, are you coming across my video for the very first time? Please, guys, hit that button that says subscribe. Please subscribe for your girl. Like my video, guys. Also help me to share. Okay, guys, comment and tell me what you think about my video. Okay, guys, I love you all. So now I'm peeling off the skin of my potato. Stay tuned, guys, okay? So, guys, it's time for me to cut my red bell pepper. Okay, guys, I'll be slicing it now. First, I'll be removing the seed. So, guys, now I'll be frying my sauce. I just add in some groundnut oil. I'll be mixing it with oil, with palm oil. So I just added some palm oil. Okay, I will allow it to hot a little bit before I add in my onions, my chopped onions. Okay, I have it here. So guys, at the same time, I will be adding I have my red bell pepper and the scotch bonnet pepper. I'll be adding it too. So now I will be adding my tomatoes. I just added my sliced tomatoes. At the same time, I will be adding my yellow bell pepper. Wow. Okay guys, so I will allow it to fry for 3 minutes before I add in my steak haché, which is the grounded meat. So that's what I will be using for my porridge. So now I will be adding my steak. I just add in my steak. I'll give it a good stir. So I just give it a good stir. Now I will be adding my ingredients. So here is my salt to taste. So at the same time, I'll be adding my 2 seasonings. So now I will be adding my paprika. Just adding my paprika. So I'll be adding my black pepper. So now I'll give it a good stir. Wow. You see my steak haché? That's the grounded meat. So now I will be adding my potatoes. Guys, if you prepare your potato this way, you will enjoy it, guys. It's so tasty like this, okay? You can also give it a try. Now I will be adding it now. So I'm just adding my potato. I'll give it a good stir. So now I'll be adding water before I cover it to cook. So guys, I'll be back. So now I will be checking on my porridge. Wow. Look at the aroma, guys. So this is after 10 minutes. I will just give it a good stir again. Okay. I'll still allow it to cook. Okay, guys. I'll be back, guys. So guys, now I will be checking on my wow. It's almost ready, guys. This is the last part. I'll give it a good stir now. Okay, guys, it smells nice already, guys. So let me just scatter it a little bit. Okay, I love it when it's a little bit scattered. Let me scatter it. So guys, my porridge is ready. Okay, if you have not given me a thumbs up, please do. Okay, I love you all. So guys, I'm done. Thanks for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Okay guys, bye.